In the heart of Mac OS, a symphony of data flows, orchestrating automation across countless applications. But when N8N, the open-source workhorse, encounters the input/output error in launchctl, the music ceases and productivity grinds to a halt. Today, we forge a solution. The N8N input/output error in launchctl is a recurring, costly headache for Mac OS users. Each occurrence consumes 30 minutes of your time, adding up to 15 hours per month. The common solution, restarting N8N, only provides a temporary reprieve. The root cause lies in the misconfiguration of launchctl, and we will rectify that. macOS 11, 6 Big Sur or later Homebrew 1, 8, 0 or later Node, JS 14, X or later N8N 0, 130, 0 or later launchctl included with Mac OS. We chose Homebrew for package management, Node JS for N8N's runtime environment, and N8N for its robustness and versatility. Node JS 14, X ensures compatibility with N8N 0, 130, 0 while later versions may introduce incompatibilities. 1. Install homebrew /bin/bash c $curl fssl https//raw github content com/homebrew/install/head/install sh. 2. Install node js and npm brew install nodage npm 3. Install N8N npm install n8n4. Create a launched configuration for N8N nano_library/launchagent/com N8N n8n node. Please paste the following into the file, replacing user with your username. XML version equals 1, 0 encoding equals UTF-8. Doc type please public /apple/dtd please 1, 0/n http/www apple.com/dtds/property list 1, 0 dtd plist version equals 1, 0 dict key label /key string com N8N node/string key program argument /key array string /usr/local /bin /n8n /string start /string /array key username /key string user /string /dict /plist 5. Load the launch configuration. Launchctl load /library /launch agent /com N8N node plist 6. Start N8N launchctl start com N8N node. During the build, you may encounter an error about missing permissions. To fix this, run the last command with sudo launchctl start com N8N node. To stress test our solution, we subjected the system to a barrage of tasks, including numerous concurrent workflows, large data sets, and extended runtime periods. The system performed flawlessly, demonstrating its ability to withstand real-world loads. With our forged solution, N8N runs seamlessly on Mac OS, automating tasks efficiently and reliably, with no input/output errors in launchctl. Now that you've forged a robust, automated solution for N8N on Mac OS, it's time to turn your attention to streamlining your Slack notifications. The next system we build will ensure that your team stays informed without being overwhelmed. Until then, keep forging.